There are three types of blacksmiths in the eastern United States when it comes to broken anvils. Ones who believe this. I bet it was broken by General Sherman during his march to the sea so Confederates couldn't make horseshoes. Ones who joke about it. Why, Lord, yeah, Billy the Torch probably did that one his very self. And ones who ruin it for everyone.
Actually, there is no historic record of this, and it's a common failure point on anvils of that era through normal work. It's probably just broken.
Oh. Are you happy?
There is no such thing as harmless fun.
So which kind are you?